our industry is changing faster than ever. To seize the moment, scale and speed matter. Two iconic companies, decades of trusted partnership, precision manufacturing, engineering excellence. Now, one global powerhouse, one vision, one name. We are Dauch, and we were made for this. Powerful, precise, visionary. In forged and powdered metal, performance-critical engineering, and driveline systems across every platform. We have the scale to shape the future and the speed to get there faster. Change happens fast, but performance has staying power. We serve customers across the world and deliver quality more efficiently. Because at Dauch, we are built to perform. Then, now, always.